Confirm plant footprint and service routes. Riser alignment matches core grid.
Crane reach is adequate.
Bearing capacity looks consistent.
Send samples to lab.
Clear for excavation. Level within 5 millimeters.
Truck turning radius approved.
Copy that. Rolling the truck now. Maintain wall clearance.
Shoring secure. Shoring secure.
Water level dropping.
Align pile center.
Vibration hits. Vibration within limits.
Cap dimensions confirmed.
Spacing looks good. Spacing looks good. Great.
Bolt elevation locked.
Maintain steady pour.
Finish around bolts.
Start curing cycle.
Results meet spec.
Wall height on mark.
Sleeves aligned.
Mechanical floors next.
Beam locked.
Load rating confirmed.
Access ready.
Maintain clearance.
Riser opening clear. Ready for mechanical install.
Launch assistance, so we need to install it. March barrel. Hold, swing left.
Lower onto springs.
Level within tolerance.
Pump base aligned.
Flange faces clean.
Header coming up. Route pass complete.
Weld passes.
Prepare riser lift. level 12.
Joint aligned.
Allow for movement. Allow for movement.
AHU Section 1 placed.
Seal all joints. Duct clear of beam.
Gasket seated.
Brace spacing correct.
Flow direction confirmed.
Actuator powered off.
Okay.
Flush prep complete.
Route clear.
Tray alignment good. Good. Slope maintained.
Sprinkler clearance okay.
Seal vapor barrier. No gaps.
Rotation correct.
Begin flush.
Debris minimal.
Ready for controls and testing.
Panel powered but isolated.
Red shot?
Input 1 landed.
Fiber link net next.
Slack maintained.
Sensor height correct.
Infidelity.
Controller addressed.
Damper responds.
Sensors reading stable. Sensors reading stable.
Graphics mapped.
Graphics mapped. Amps within range.
Set our platoon.
Set minimum speed.
Flow matches design.
CFM on target. No obstruction. Fire mode active.
Alarm received.
Temperature stable.
Controls accepted.
Load at 40%.
Comfort achieved.
Labels match drawings.
Minor items only.
Issue closed. All criteria met.
Normal and emergency modes.
System stable. HVAC complete.
Sounds like that's our that part. Billy, set for back.
Building handed over.
Plant condition accepted.
Matches submittals.
Confirmed.
Spares logged. Signage complete. Plant.
Plant secured. Do what you want. When to free it's unfortunate.
Comfort verified.
Load handled. Load handled.
Temperature locked. Temperature locked.
Even distribution.
All systems green.
COP exceeds target.
Noise within limits.
Project complete.
Stable overnight.
Continuous operation.
Auto start verified.
Normal operations.
Report issued.
Performance confirmed.
TAB approved.
Admin access transferred.
Alarm response reviewed. Alarm response reviewed.
Accept.
End of works. Central HVAC complete.
Subscribe, like, and share.